Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 275. Get Copilot to explain code. In our last tip, we looked at how Copilot in VS Code can generate code for a Power Pages site. Another thing the Copilot in VS Code for Power Pages can help with is explaining code that already exists. Just like the code generation functionality, this works in both the desktop version and the web version. For the desktop version, make sure you've got the Power Platform tools installed and you've opened your Power Pages site code. Browse to the code that you want more information about. Then simply highlight it and then right-click, go to Copilot in Power Pages, and click Explain. If it's not already, the Power Platform area will open, and within the Copilot in Power Pages panel, you'll see an explanation of the code from Copilot. This Copilot is tuned specifically for Power Pages and can explain code written in HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and Liquid. If you want an explanation of code that doesn't yet appear in your site, you can include the code directly within the prompt in the Copilot in Power Pages panel. For example, you can type something like, "Explain the following code," followed by the code itself. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 275 on Get Copilot to Explain Code useful.